Hello guys, wanna easily close apps on your Samsung phone? Follow these simple steps. So firstly, unlock your phone and go to multitasking mode. If you're using buttons, simply tap this button with 3 lines on the bottom navigation bar. And if you're using the gestures, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold. So I'm using buttons, so I click the button and I already have the close all feature. So view the list of apps running in the background. To close a single app, just swipe the app up. And to close all apps at once, click the Close All button floating at the bottom of the screen. By the way, on some Samsung phone models, you might need to scroll to the end of the list to access the Close All button. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.